The Vive Wireless Adapter, a premium wireless add-on for Vive and Vive Pro, is finally approaching the launch after being announced in January. With a price of $300 with pre-orders starting September 5, the launch date of the Vive Wireless Adapter is set for September 24. The Vive Wireless Adapter is based on Intel's 60 GHz WiGig technology, with the DisplayLink XR codec, which is designed for low-latency video streaming. The adapter itself, which is mounted on the head, is combined with a battery pack to power the headset and receiver, as well as a separate transmitting device that connects to the PC and is ideally mounted and oriented towards the user to keep it direct line of sight with the receiver. HTC today announced the release date of the Vive Wireless Adapter for September 24, priced at $300. Advance orders begin September 5. The company will also launch a 2-month trial for the VivePort subscription as part of the purchase. Although the Vive Wireless Adapter works for both the original Live and the Live Pro, customers with the Pro will need to pay for a $60 compatibility package that includes a connecting cable for the Vive Pro, as well as foam padding and an exclusive connection device for Vive Pro. That's surprising, since we expect the $300 accessory to be more attractive for companies using Vive Pro in business and commercial environments than for the regular home users who are most likely to own the original.